Have you ever seen those cinematic AI videos where a dirty, polluted environment slowly transforms into a clean, modern city? What if I told you that creating videos like this is actually very, very simple and you need only three tools to do it? In this tutorial, I am going to show you the complete process step by step. We will use only three AI tools: ChatGPT, Whisk AI, and Flow AI. And the best part is that you can do this using the free versions of these tools. First up, I'll come to Google and type ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. Now come to description of this video and copy master prompt number 1. We will copy this and paste in ChatGPT. Now you can see the ChatGPT will provide us 10 location ideas. Each one will beautifully designed and we will choose one of the best one. Let's them complete. Now it's done. Now come to the description of this video and copy master prompt number 2. It's a little bit long prompt. Make sure to copy all the text and no part is remained. Copy and paste in ChatGPT, but don't press enter yet. There is a blank space. You can see here, paste location idea here. Now we will copy one of the 10 ideas generated before. Let's decide. Now let's copy the location prompt number 7. Copy and paste here in this square bracket. Remove this text and paste the location idea. Now click. Now you can see the magic of ChatGPT. It will provide us three images prompts and three video prompts. We will copy them and make video and images. Once it is completed, now come to Google and search Whisk AI. Again, we will use free version of this tool. You can see click enter tool. Now this is the interface. Come to ChatGPT and copy prompt number 1. This is prompt of first photo. Copy this and paste in the. Now you can see we will retain the ratio of 16:9 as we are making video for YouTube. You can also use the ratio of 9:16 if you are making video for TikTok or YouTube shorts. Click enter and with AI will provide us two images. We will make we will choose one of the best one. Now I like this one. This is download button. Click on this. The image is downloaded. Now come to ChatGPT and copy photo to prompt. This is second prompt, second image prompt. Come to ChatGPT, but note one thing here. We will provide the first image we have downloaded recently. This one. We will provide this as a subject. This will be as a reference image. You can see once it is completed. Now you can see here the check. It is successfully uploaded. Click on this. Now wait for the second two images to produce. Now as you can see, we will choose this one. Now come to ChatGPT and finally image 3 prompt is copy and paste here. Remove the old one and paste here. Now delete this the first photo as a reference and provide this second image as a reference image. Upload image and click on the recent image. Wait for this to analyze. Once it is done, Now the image is uploaded successfully. Make sure the ratio is consistent. Click enter, and we will done with the all three images now. Now you can see we will download this image. Yeah. Now we have done with three images. Now we will convert these images to video. So for this, come to Google and search Flow AI. Click on the first site, create with Flow, and as you can see, create new project. Now make sure the video is selected here and primes, and the ratio according to your needs. We will use landscape. You can also make portrait videos. X1, X2 is number of results. If we are selecting X3, generating will use 60 credits. If we choose two images, two outcomes, then it will use 40 credits. In order to save credits, we have to choose X1. Okay, now guys, we will put image 1 in start. The first image we have created in the initial stage. This is the first image. uh, Wait for this to upload successfully. It will take a little bit time, not too much. You can see here 99% completed. Now it is done. Now click on end slot, and we will upload the middle image, the second created by Whisk AI. This is the second, and we will transform this first image to second. We need a prompt. Once it is completed, we will put a prompt here. Prompt is already generated by ChatGPT. We will copy it. This is prompt video one prompt. It's time lapse. Photo one to photo two. This is transformation prompt. Copy this prompt and come to Flow AI, where to complete this uploading. Paste this prompt. Now you can see it is done here, and here two images are uploaded. Paste the video prompt and click enter. Now you will see the magic of Flow AI. Now the video is created. Let's play. Wow, beautiful. Here is download button. You can see download this video in 720 original size. Now it is downloaded. Now come back and remove these old images. Now we will upload second image in the start slot, and we will third image created by VCI as the end image. Come to here, upload the image 2. This is the middle image, and in the end slot we will upload the last images created by this AI. Once those two images are uploaded, we will copy the video 2 prompt for this to transform smoothly. Copy this and paste here, and wait for the two images to upload successfully. One image is uploaded, second image. Both images are uploaded. Click enter and see the second video is generating. You can see the progress is here. Now let's see, second video is generated. You can see how beautifully it is transformed. Wow, very nice. Now download this video. Now guys, there is an optional video prompt. This is a drone shot taken from the elevated angle. It is optional. You may make the video or not copy this we are making. It will make our project very beautiful. We will upload only one image, which is the last image we have created, and copy paste the last video prompt. Now it is completed. Let's see how it's received. Wow, very beautiful. Now download. Now you can use any editing video editing software like CapCut or Filmora to combine these videos. Let's see how the result is.